Hello, dear children. Reader, Lesson 8, Ace Swimmer, Mihir Sen. This is the name of the lesson that we will read now. Children, we all know that our country, India, is a land of achievers, that is, winners. Many sports champions have brought laurels to our country. Vishwanathan Anand, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, Jeev Milkha Singh, Abhinav Bindra, just to name a few. One such remarkable sportsman was Mihir Sen, also known as the Conqueror of the Seven Seas. This story has been taken from the biography of this famous and extraordinary swimmer from India. He excelled in long distance swimming and was known to swim the oceans of the 5 continents of the world in 1 year. Hence the name Ace Swimmer, Mihir Sen. Now let us read the lesson. Listen carefully for proper pronunciation and fluency. Before you read, India is a land of achievers. Some of India's sports champions are Vishwanathan Anand, Sania Mirza, Jeev Milkha Singh, Abhinav Bindra, etc. Let us go back in time and read about the achievements of one of India's most remarkable sportsmen, Mihir Sen, who is also known as the conqueror of the 7 seas. Mihir Sen, the ace swimming champion, in fact, did not know how to swim till he was 22 years of age. Until this age, he had only dog paddled. Mihir was born on 16th November 1930 in the Purulia district in West Bengal. He became a lawyer and worked as a barrister at the Kolkata High Court. However, he wanted to do something more with his life, so he travelled to England. There, he worked as a railway porter, after which he got a job at the Indian High Commission's office. It was here that Mihir Sen developed a love for swimming. He joined a local club and for 3 years he went through rigorous training. On 27th September 1958, he became the first Asian to swim across the English Channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. The English Channel divides the island of Great Britain from northern France and links the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Sen was awarded the Padma Shri in 1959 for being the first Asian to swim across the English Channel. The year 1966 was a momentous year for Sen. He swam across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in 1 year. In the month of April, he swam across the Palk Strait, the sea between India and Sri Lanka. This was indeed daring, as the water of the Palk Strait was shark infested. In the month of August, he swam across the Strait of Gibraltar between Europe and Africa. In September, he became the world's first man to swim across the Hazardous Strait of Dardanelles in Turkey. In the same month, he swam across the Bosphorus, also in Turkey, in only 4 hours. Then he swam the 85 kilometers long Panama Canal in 34 hours and set a world record. Thus, Sen set up 5 world records as he swam the 7 seas, for which he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966. Mihir Sen's noteworthy achievements earned him a place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's greatest long-distance swimmer. Sen opened the doors for many Indian swimmers to excel in long-distance swimming. However, his daring achievements remain unmatched. He always believed that a country is measured only by the deeds and achievements of its people. Mihir Sen was the president of the Explorers Club of India and passed away in 1997 at the age of 67. This was a biography of Mihir Sen. A biography is a story of a person's life which is written by someone else. So children, this was the lesson A Swimmer Mihir Sen. Listen to the model reading for correct pronunciation of words.